Hey Amazon KDP self-publishers and Amazon sellers, I have a great news for you. Helium 10 is offering 55% off on their monthly plan. You can see instead of $99, they are now charging $44.55 per month, and that will continue to renew for the next 12 months at the same price. This is their time limited offer. It will be expiring on 14th of October, and currently it's live and it's available. You can check link in the description below, and if you want to know more about this promo, you can read this short blog post. I have included everything about this promo, and this is actually a geo-locked promo. This is available in certain countries, you can see, and then there is 40% off in other countries, and there is a fixed percentage off on various plans. You can see platinum plan $550 annually, and there is another offer for Asia and other Latin America. So they are running this promo up to 14th of October. So hurry up and take advantage of this before it's gone. You can avail 55% in these countries. Check the link in the description. Go there and get the maximum discount. This is, I think, the first time they are offering 55% off. See you there.